Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, April 1st, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And don't forget to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, to gain access to all these benefits listed below and more. So the US dollar Swiss ended up pushing down again, and we cannot forget the fact that we definitely do not have a breaker structure up yet. So the trend is down, and this is definitely looking very corrective. So it could easily continue down, and maybe even to the next Fibonacci level and beyond. So we have to keep in mind that this is likely a correction. I've been saying that it probably is going to break structure to the upside, but it still has not been able to do it. So since it still has not been able to do it, we have to be very cautious. This could easily just keep on going down pretty much at any point. And I definitely could kind of picture there being an A, a B, and a C correction here. So if you do see like a lower high or something like that, that probably would be the better trading opportunity, which is would be getting short at the end of pullbacks because the trend is down on the higher time frames. If the trend is down, then I would definitely still recommend shorts primarily unless we get that breaker structure on the daily. And if that happens, I'll definitely switch it up and I'll definitely start looking for logs after the breaker structure. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.